Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Vibes, the channel where learning English feels just like chatting with friends.
Hey everyone, I'm Leo, and today we're talking about something everyone needs, friends.
Exactly. Not the TV show, the real ones.
Right. We'll learn real phrases and situations to help you make friends, even if you're shy, new in town, or still learning English.
So grab your coffee, relax, and let's vibe together.
Let's start with something simple. Why are friends important?
Friends make life better. They laugh with you, listen to you, and sometimes eat all your fries.
Yes, the true test of friendship.
But seriously, friends help us grow, support us, and make us feel less alone.
And when you're learning a language, friends are your best teachers. You learn real English, not just textbook English.
You know, before you even say a word, your body language speaks first.
Yes, smile, keep your phone away, and make eye contact. You look friendly, people will come to you.
I remember when I moved to London, I smiled at a stranger on the bus, and now she's one of my best friends.
Wow, see? A smile can start a story.
Exactly. Confidence doesn't mean being loud. It means being kind and open.
Okay, so how do we actually start talking to someone?
Let's try a few real-life examples. Hey, are you new here?
Yeah, just started last week.
Oh, cool. How do you like it so far?
Simple, friendly, open. Perfect.
Example 2. At the gym.
Hi, I see you here often. Do you usually come in the morning?
That's right. Morning workouts keep me awake.
Boom. Instant connection.
Example 3. Online or social groups. Hi, everyone. I'm new here. I love books and coffee. Anyone else?
That's how friendships begin, finding shared interests.
The key to good conversation, ask questions.
But not interview questions.
Yeah, don't say, "What is your 5-year plan?" on day 1.
Ask fun things like, what do you do on weekends? Or, have you watched anything good lately?
Exactly. Open questions, not yes-no ones.
And remember, listen. Don't just wait to speak.
Friendship grows when you share something.
I met one of my friends because we both hated Monday mornings.
The best connection ever.
You can say things like, I love coffee too, or, really? Me too. Short, natural reactions that show you care.
Yes, enthusiasm builds warmth. People remember how you make them feel.
So you've talked once or twice. How do you move to friendship?
Invite them. Hey, want to grab lunch tomorrow? Or, we should go for a walk sometime.
If they say yes, great. If they're busy, don't take it personally. Try again later.
And after hanging out, send a short message like, I had fun today. Let's do it again.
That's how bonds strengthen.
In English-speaking countries, people appreciate small talk, like the weather or weekend plans.
Yes! In some cultures, that feels shallow. But in English, it's a bridge to deeper talk.
And don't worry about mistakes. People care more about your smile than your grammar.
Absolutely. Friendship is about connection, not perfection.
Let's be real. What can go wrong?
Talking only about yourself.
Or complaining too much.
Also, forcing closeness too fast. Let it grow naturally.
Friendship is like coffee. It needs time to brew.
Beautifully said.
Let me tell you a quick story. When I first joined a painting class, I didn't talk to anyone. But one day, someone said, I love your artwork.
And?
That one sentence started a friendship that's lasted 5 years.
See? Small words, big impact.
So friends, remember, be open, be kind, be yourself.
Smile, ask, listen, share. That's the real formula for friendship.
If you loved this episode, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to English Vibes.
Because learning English is better
With friends.